in an MBA program where, you think about these aspects of shareholder value and all of those sorts of more like business elements, the fact that everyone who comes here has that sort of shared sense of understanding of, the and society and the social aspect of business is really unique. My name is Sam Witmer and I'm from Boulder, Colorado. Being in New Haven and getting to be part of such a close-knit group of individuals has been such a rewarding experience. I've truly made lifelong friends here. The fact that New Haven is a college town and it's not in a big city sort of fosters that sense of community that you get. You're really building a new experience in a new town, and I think that's part of what makes Yale such a unique experience for an MBA program. It's not just thinking about one specific aspect or business metrics, it's thinking more holistically about the decisions you make and how they're going to impact not just the business but the society and community as a whole. And so I wanted to just immerse myself in the experience, and I think that as a result, I've been busy for sure, but I think that I wouldn't have it any other way. Being so busy and being so embedded here in New Haven has really been such a worthwhile experience, and I'm truly ecstatic with how things have turned out.